Greetings to all my fellow Cameroonians that I love so much. Uh, Southern Cameroon, or the Anglophone part of Cameroon, as we all know, is under crisis. Everybody is crying. Ah, what is happening? The police are killing us. The police are arresting our people innocently. Okay, it's true. Everybody is in pain because me, for one, speaking to you, I'm a victim of that. My younger ones are not schooling in Buya. They are not schooling. My younger sister, she just had her advanced level. She was supposed to be in the university. She started, and all of a sudden, classes ended. She has lost 1 year, lost everything. Her room, her school fees. 1 year wasted, It's not quite a good thing. I want to say this out to most of my brothers who are not understanding the track of this crisis. Firstly, I will let you know that Cameroon was never two. We have always been one and not two. After or during the colonization of Cameroon in 1884 by the Germans, Cameroon was one. There was never two Cameroon. After the condominium, the League of Nations decided to divide Cameroon between the British and the French, because the British and the French fought in Cameroon to eradicate or to chase out the Germans in Cameroon. They did not say the British drove the Germans out of English Cameroon and the French drove the Germans out of French Cameroon. I remember when Gustave Nachtigal was hosting the flag of Cameroon, was the flag of Germany in Cameroon in 1884, he did not say Cameroon is two, it was one. And when the British and the French took control in 1919, it was one, not two. Please do not miss the track here. Cameroon was never two. Cameroon has always been one and not two. And if today we are talking of two Cameroon, then we are going wrong. Actually wrong. That's not a fact. Then some people will say, we don't have the same. Let me tell you something. We have the same ancestors, we have the same everything, we'll be doing everything in common. So please, my dear brothers and sisters, do not miss the track. If you're crying because of the innocent one suffering in prison, yes, it's true. Let's not go wrong to what we are fighting for, because once we are going to the wrong side of our strike, of our grievances, then we are going to miss the track and miss everything. I'll let you know. Now we have no intervention. The powerful nations are doing nothing over the crisis now. Nothing is being said, because for now they have not seen their interest. I bet you, once they will see their interest in separating Cameroon into two, they will hasten things up. They will hasten the things so that Cameroon should separate now. When Cameroon separates now, they will get what they want, either from the French or from the Anglophone Cameroon. If they see that by separating Cameroon into two, by splitting Cameroon into two, the Anglophone, maybe the Anglophone ruler or the Anglophone president will give them what they want, they will take. They will fight and grant you cessation. I remember Patrick Lumumba, the great man from Zaire, said, "Qui dit sécession dit trahison." I hope you understand what I'm saying. Qui dit sécession dit trahison.